Yes, so welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadava classes. Arshad has come, and we'll start your next lesson. The next name of the lesson is angles. क्या है angles? So you know very well that this is a revision for you. Last year in standard 4 you already learnt. बोलो बेटा. बोला काय झालं आवाज येतो सर्वांना.
सर काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम झालेला.
Yes, so this is a repetition or revision for you guys. You already learnt about this in last year. This angle is known as a right angle. This angle is known as a right angle. This angle, the second one, it is known as an acute angle. Last year तुम्हाला सर्व झालेलं है, ये आपको सब हो चुका है last year. इसलिए यहाँ पे दिया है it is a revision. And this angle is known as an obtuse angle. Getting guys, it is known as an obtuse angle. समझा? चलो next let's see guys what is given to you. पहले हम देखेंगे क्या क्या दिया है. Now you have to find out कि which type of angle is given. देखो, look at the clocks given below. Write whether the hands make a right angle, an acute angle, or an obtuse angle in the given बॉक्स बिलो. ओके, एक एक वेळ मुझे बताएगा. मी ज्याला विचारल त्याने सांगायचं, बाकीच्यांनी बोलायचं नाही. गेटिंग गाइस. चलो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यस टेल मी शिवकांत. द फर्स्ट वन बता शिवकांत. दिस फर्स्ट वन शिवकांत.
ऑब्टूस एंगल.
वेरी गुड. सो इट इज एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. मैं ओ लिख रहा हूँ. इट इज एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट हिमांशु टेल मी द सेकंड वन. हिमांशु कैन यू हियर मी? चलो इसके बाद
एक्यूट एंगल.
वेरी गुड. सो इट इज एन acute angle. थर्ड वन सार्थक सांग मला. थर्ड वन कोणता अँगल आहे? विच टाइप ऑफ अँगल इट इज सार्थक?
राइट एंगल.
व्हेरी गुड. सो इट इज अन राईट अँगल. नेक्स्ट कोण आहे इथे? येस नेक्स्ट मला सांगायचं आहे श्रावणी. श्रावणी सांग कोणता अँगल आहे हा? चुकलं तरी चालेल, टेन्शन नाही घ्यायचं. गाईस डू नॉट टेक टेन्शन. फास्ट.
एक्यूट एंगल.
येस इट इज. नो इट इज नॉट अन ॲक्यूट अँगल. इट लुक्स लाईक ऑब्ट्यूज अँगल. ठीक आहे. ऑब्ट्यूज वाटतो तो. हा येस. देन दिस वन ऑल्सो इट obtuse angle. It looks like obtuse. Actually, right पण दिसत थोडंफार ते. And this is an acute angle. Getting guys? Now, now what are the components of angles and naming of angle? Naming an angle and components of an angle. Let's see guys here. You can see there is some conversation. The teacher is saying, Monu, what does the diagram given here shows? So Monu is saying that teach the diagram shows an angle. हा काय आहे तर angle आहे. Sir, do angles have arms? Angle ला arms असतात का? Yes. So they have arms and there are some names like diagram मध्ये बघाल. These are the two arms. Arm 1 and arm number 2. हे दोन arm असतात. One is BA and second is BC. समझा क्या? देखो. Okay, they have the two lines are known as the arms, that is BA and BC. BA and BC. And दोनों में common point आहे. दोघांमध्ये कोणता आहे बघा. This common point is B. So this point is known as vertex. This point is known as vertex. समजलं? This point is known as vertex. आणि BA and BC are known as the arms of the angle. समजलं का? परत सांगतो बघा, तुम्हाला लक्षात द्या. BA and BC are known as the arms. They are known as the arms of the angle and they have a common point. दोघांमध्ये common point कोणता आहे? सामायिक point. What is the common point? It is B. And this point B is known as vertex. It is known as vertex. देखो, the common point B is called as vertex and BA and BC are the arms. और ये दोनों को मिला के क्या होता है? There is a formation of angle. There is formation of angle. काय बनतो आपल्याला इथे? Angle बनतोय. Getting guys? So this angle can be named in different ways. This can be named in different ways. लाईक बघा तुम्हाला सांगतो मी इथे. येस. सो दिस अँगल, हा जो अँगल आहे ना, दिस इट कॅन बी नेम्ड इन डिफरंट वेज. कोणकोणते बघा याच्यामध्ये अँगलचे डिफरंट नेम्स. सो फर्स्ट दिस इज नोन बाय अँगल बी. ओके, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला? अँगल. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ अँगल. अँगल बी. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ अँगल. अँगलचं साइन मध्ये अँगल बी. देन सेकंड इट इज known by the angle ABC. कैसे वापरणार तुम्ही? हाऊ कॅन यू रीड? A B C. So this can be written as angle A. याला कसं लिहिणार आपण? असं अँगल A, अँगल B and अँगल C. थर्ड यू कॅन रिव्हर्स याचे डिरेक्शन रिव्हर्स करू शकतो CBA. यू कॅन राईट द नेम ऑफ द अँगल ॲज अँगल CBA. समजा दोन्ही मध्ये बघा बी बी कुठे राहतो बी 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 इज इन द मिडल बी इज इन द मिडल ऑफ द टू डिजिट्स टू अल्फाबेट्स. समजलं तुम्हाला. इन दिस थ्री वेज दिस ट्रायंगल कॅन दिस अँगल कॅन बी नेम्ड. बघा इथे. So we say that, what do we say? We say that angle ABC. Okay, we say angle ABC. So instead of angle ABC, we can also say that angle CBA. Angle CBA. Getting समजते का तुम्हाला? So reverse मध्ये केलं तर त्याचं नाव तेच राहतं. It does not have change. And in small, this is the representation of angle. The sign represents the word angle. लक्षात घ्या. प्रत्येक वेळेस तुम्हाला angle angle याची गरज नसते. You have to just simply put this sign of angle. You have to simply put this sign of angle. Okay, symbol. This symbol of angle. Getting, guys? Now this is known as angle ABC. Okay. So I hope you understood and you can solve this practice set 20. Sorry, problem set 24. Problem set 24 तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना solve करता येईल. I hope so. Yes, guys. So let's solve practice problem set 24 here. So don't worry. I will explain. I'll explain to you. I'll explain you guys. Don't worry about that. सिर्फ ध्यान दो आपको ध्यान रखना है इसमें. Let's say this. The question number one you already given. This one is given to you, and what they did diagram. So diagram is what PQR. PQR and angle is given to you. So in this angle, there are two. The name of the angle. Name of the angle can be written as angle PQR. देखो, can you see angle PQR or angle RQP? एकदा सरळ जायचं एकदा रिव्हर्स जायचंय. देखो PQR. Okay, and reverse में जाओ RQP. This one PQR and angle RQP. Getting, guys? समझा अभी? Now, what is the vertex? Vertex is the common point between two arms is point Q. And how many arms are there? There are two arms. This one. The first one is QP and the second one is QR. QP and QR. देखो QP and QR. These are the two arms. These are the two arms. Getting, guys? सबको समझ रहे हैं अभी? Yes, guys. So let's see the next question. I hope you understood this. Thus, we are going to solve. Here you can say the names of the angle. So you can say the names of the angle. Angle L, M, and here angle L, M, N. or काय ना तुमचा उलट जायचं. N, M, L. Very good. Yes, very good. So angle L. Very good. N, M, L. What is the vertex? Can you tell me the vertex, guys?
Yum.
Vertex is what? Tell me. Very good. Yes, very good. So M is the point, that is your vertex. And after that, the two arms. Can you tell me the two arms? यहाँ से start करो. M, L. Yes, very good. So M, L, and M, N. Okay, your arm. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आपको हाँ इसे यहाँ पे आपको और लिखना है, इसे और ले जाओगा OR or. You can write OR or. Getting, guys? Let's see. Just give me 2 minutes. Yes. So let's see the next question. Let's see the next question, guys. So the name of the angle. Name of the angle first SUT. क्या आएगा आपका angle SUT और क्या आएगा बताओ मुझे. टेल मी. आप बताओ मुझे क्या आएगा एंगल का नेम. STU नहीं आएगा, TUS आएगा बेटा.
TUS.
Okay, vertex. What is the vertex? Tell me. Vertex क्या है इसमें?
U.
Vertex is what? Very good. Vertex is U. शाबाश. और arms क्या आएंगे बताओ मुझे.
Yes, U. Yes, T.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. U. U नहीं आएगा. L में. Start from the U. U से start करना है आपको. You start from the U.
U. Yes.
हाँ.
T.
बोलो.
TU.
हाँ, very good. US and UT. US and UT.
UT.
Very good. So we'll see the use of protractor, and this figure which you can see, this is known as protractor. त्याला आपण कोन मापक म्हणतो. You can find it in your compass. Okay. So it is a protractor. A protractor is used to measure an angle and also to draw an angle according to given measure. The picture opposite shows a protractor. So this is your protractor. If you see here, a protractor is a semicircular in shape. इसका semicircular आहे, अर्धवर्तुळ आहे, लक्षात घ्या. Semicircular in shape. The semicircular edge of protractor is divided into 180 equal parts. कितने parts है? 180. 180 देखो. If you start from the outside देखो 0 से लेकर here it is 90, फिर यहाँ पे होता है आपका 180. If you consider from the inner side, if you consider from the inner side, देखो यहाँ से 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, then it comes up to here, that is 180. समझा? So it is divided into 180 equal parts. Don't worry, I'll again explain to you when we'll solve the sorry, yes, next problem, practice it. Now each part is 1 degrees. Each part is 1 degrees. देखो each part is 1. देखो यहाँ पे आप देखो ना, smaller lines are there. So this is 10. तो इसमें 10 zero line smaller lines आहेत 10 lines. और दिसतं तुम्हाला. And 1 degree is written as 1 degree. Okay, it is written as 1, and this is the 0 मतलब छोटा सा dot ये क्या, तो that is the degree. The division on a protractor, the degrees can be marked in two ways: 0, 10, 20, 30, marked in anti-clockwise direction from right to left. Okay, they are given anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise म्हणजे काय, तर घड्याळाच्या काट्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने. Like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 180. And they can be written in the clockwise direction. Clockwise means what? How the hands of the clock move, like अशा या direction मध्ये. समजा? So the blue मध्ये दाखवले, that is the clockwise direction. याला म्हणतात clockwise direction. And the thing I have show, sorry, the yes. So this direction is known as anti-clockwise direction. It is known as anti-clockwise direction. Getting? The center of the circle, of which the protractor is half part, is called as the center of the protractor. This one. This is center of the protractor. A diameter of the circle is baseline, and this is the diameter. देखो इथून इथपर्यंतचे काय पूर्ण diameter आहे, देखो यहाँ तक. This is the diameter of the circle, and is known as a base line of reference of protractor. It is known as line of reference of protractor. So this is the middle point. हम यहाँ से कैसे measure करते हैं, कसं करना, काय करना, तुम्हाला मी सांगणारच आहे. Don't worry about that. So whenever we'll कल देखेंगे, कल आपको ये सब लेके आना है, measuring how to measure angles. I'll show you tomorrow. You should bring you should, अगर है तो अच्छी बात है. Okay, चलो.